required at 2 a.m. at the airport. I just noticed these have actually motivation stickers on them. Happy vibes and live fearlessly. Wow. Made it through customs at an empty airport. Hey everyone, so we passed through customs. Now it's 3:43 and let's just say we have a lot of time to waste now. And yeah, Brandon's expression just shows it all.
Just a random airplane hire. If you're a resident, welcome home. If you're one of our nearly 70 visitors, welcome to the City Beautiful. Here, imagination becomes reality in our theme parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found in our art scenes, sporting events, and small businesses. In Orlando, there's something for everyone. Hope you enjoy your visit and everything that makes Orlando fun. Hold on to the handrails. The gate leak is approaching the main terminal building. When the gate leak stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim.
The long hallway that's getting to Mears Connect. And just like that, we're on the bus, the Mears Connect.
To help you unwind. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the marine mammal. A study found that manatees are as adept at experimental tasks as please make sure to collect all your
Our first meal on our Disney trip, pizza. Hey everyone, so we got to our room. It's been a long day, as you can tell in Brandon's face. But we wanted to also show you the room and how we unpack. So let's take a room tour. We are in the All-Star Sports Resort. Our building is the Center Court number 5. We are in a standard room, so there, I believe, is 2 categories, standard and preferred. But I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you first come in, but minus our stuff. This is what the room looks like as you walk in, and it looks very spacious, especially for just 2 people. It's pretty much enough space. I believe this room can hold up to 4 people, as this over here can come down as another queen bed, and that is a queen bed, so that's 2 people each. But for us, when we are in a resort, we tend to unpack so then we know where most of our things are. So for example, we tend to put our shoes right at the door so we don't bring all the dirt from the parks around our room. We tuck away our suitcases depending where we feel like it's more convenient for us. We always get the reusable mugs because we tend to feel like it's worth it, especially if that we're staying here for a week. We have a his and her side for charging. So this is Brandon's side for now, and as you can tell, that is my side. I have a little bit more things, especially my pins for pin trading, but that's pretty much what we do when it comes to charging. As you can see over here, here's the main bed. And look at the lights. I like it when the resorts have an area for us to hang our things. So we're making use of this area for Brandon's jacket, my park bag, and a fanny pack. If we pan over this way, we will see the sliding door that some families will use for privacy when others are getting ready. As we come into the washroom area, here is like a closet system. We put our laundry bags down in the bottom. I'm just hanging my sweater because it did rain today, so it's a little damp. I'm letting it dry out. We do have an iron and an iron board. We do have our toiletries out, but they are still in their little travel bags because we just like to keep them where they're supposed to be. Pretty spacious area. Hello, makeup mirror. And over here is the toilet and shower area. It's basically the standard tub, shower, and with the H2O products that are installed into the walls. They provide enough towels for 4 people, basically 1 each. As you can see, mine's and Brandon's already hanging. And then we have extras there if we wanted to use them because we don't even have anyone else with us. Like and subscribe and leave us a comment and let us know what you think about how our first room tour went. And bye for now.